Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Gusty onshore winds have not to help that at all. We're going to continue to see that through the morning hours. Stalled frontal boundary to our south. Look at all this moisture. It has been quite a night here across South Florida. Still is. Drizzly conditions, showers at times. It's the kind of rainfall makes it really difficult to see. Not torrential rain, but just widespread drizzle and low clouds here. And this continues through the next few hours. In fact, we'll zoom in on where we have, of course, passing showers there through Hard Rock Stadium at times. Not just the rain, but the wind has been gusting as well. But further south, we have a more concentrated area of showers that extends from the beach, not a great beach night at all, and then all the way down through Coral Gables, Sweetwater, down towards Kendall, now getting a piece of that, and continuing down towards Florida City, down through the 18-mile stretch. Next weather rain tracker here, continuing to see that pivoting in through the overnight hours. It will be moderate showers at times, and then we'll begin to improve. But by the morning, we should be in much better shape as this boundary to our south begins to kind of fall apart, and that will allow for some improvement over the next couple of days here. I think even by tomorrow afternoon we'll be in much better shape. It won't be this canopy. You can see the moisture associated with this pattern that we've been in pushing down to the south. That's going to make a huge difference coming up for Sunday. Still some low-level moisture with some passing showers, but it won't be the just complete closed sky that we've had the last 48 hours here. There are the temperatures as well, climbing up above 80. We didn't hit 80 today. It stayed in the 70s for the first time since March. How about that? 77 in Homestead around the afternoon. We'll drop back into the mid-70s overnight, and then even a little bit warmer with more sunshine coming up for Sunday afternoon. We should manage low to mid-80s, and then we'll have a batch of showers coming in as well. That northeast wind will continue with us. Update on the tropics here. We'll have another update from the National Hurricane Center at 11 o'clock for the system that is down in the southwestern Caribbean. Still a low chance, although this wave looks a little healthier there. We'll keep an eye on it, but that's not going to impact our weather here. And this feature, neither, but that's the one that could briefly gain a tropical storm status here. That would be 39-mile-an-hour winds or higher. Still looking at a potential system. There's no closed low yet, so we'll see if that happens. But either way, it doesn't really matter. That's a technicality, and whether we get another name or not off the list, but that's going to be a big rain event for Mexico there over the next couple of days. Terrible beach conditions tomorrow, not just the overcast skies and the light showers here, but 4 to 6 foot waves. Waves have been building, and once that starts happening here, it's just a continuation. Small craft advisory for the Atlantic waters and a gale warning there for the Florida Keys. Haven't seen that so far this season. There are the next tides coming in with the saltwater flooding in the morning. We'll have temperatures by the afternoon in the 80s. A mostly cloudy day for tomorrow. I think we'll have more sunshine coming up for us as we head into Sunday, and then we'll continue with relatively dry weather and milder in the mid-80s for next week.
Okay, Ivan.